In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Dropbox desktop app. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step to make sure you're signed out safely and securely. To start, locate the Dropbox icon in your system tray if you're on Windows, or your menu bar on a Mac. This icon is usually found near your clock or battery indicator and is essential for accessing your Dropbox settings. With just one click on this icon, you will bring up a pop-up menu containing several options relating to your Dropbox account. Once this menu appears, direct your attention to your avatar, which is displayed as either your profile picture or your initials. On Windows, you'll typically find this avatar in the bottom left corner of the menu, whereas Mac users will see it in the top right. Clicking on your avatar will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the Preferences option. Select Preferences to open up the window that holds your account settings. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Account tab. This is where all your account-specific details are managed. Here, you will see an option to sign out, or it may say, unlink this computer, depending on the version you're using. Click on this option to initiate the sign-out process. A confirmation prompt will appear to double-check your decision to sign out. Go ahead and confirm, which will effectively stop the syncing process and sign you out of your Dropbox account on this computer. While going through these steps, there are a few important points to keep in mind. Signing out of Dropbox on your computer will halt the syncing of any files from that account to the device, but rest assured, your files are still stored safely in your Dropbox cloud account. If you're working with linked accounts, such as a combination of personal and business accounts, you might need to specify which account you wish to sign out from. If you're using a shared or public computer for added security, it's a good idea to clear any cached credentials or browser sessions. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Lastly, in case you want to connect a different Dropbox account on the same computer later, simply open the Dropbox desktop app and sign in with the credentials for that other account. And that wraps it up. You've successfully learned how to sign out of the Dropbox desktop app. Thank you so much for watching and following along. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out with any further questions. Happy Dropboxing!